So in the last class, we have discussed, so what is the purpose? What is the reason to split one table into multiple tables and how to establish the connection between the tables using primary key and foreign key relation. So now, how to create the tables and how to get the information from those tables. So we are discussing. So first thing, suppose I'm just creating a relation between a student table and a course table. Consider here it is a student table and is a course table, and there is a connectivity. I'm creating same in the last session what we have discussed, the same thing only. I'm just preparing. But first of all, we need to create that course table. Course. Let us take, I'm saying, suppose course ID, course name, course duration we are taking. Course duration. So then we need to create student table with the details as a student ID, is a student name, and here it is a course ID because there is a connectivity. There is a connectivity. And for each table, there should be a primary key. This is the primary key column. And in this table, we should make this as a primary key column. And for this connectivity, we can say that it's a foreign key. It's a foreign key. This one. So primary keys for each table and connectivity key is a foreign key. And one more thing, without creation of this table, you cannot create this table. It's a first step. Next one is after creating the tables, first you need to insert records into this table. Then only you can insert the records into this table. So this is the simple way of creating the tables, and how can we connect them and how can we get the information from the tables means what? So that is using that join concept that I'll explain today. Here it is. The first we are creating that course table. Course table I'm creating. Create table. Table name is a course table. Course. Course ID is an integer. Make it primary key. We have two options. If you just write unique and not null also, it will be primary key automatically. Or directly you can use as a primary key. You can use a primary key. Next one is a C name, course name, right? It's a varchar of 20, just a course name I'm taking. Next one is a course duration also, is a varchar we are taking. Just to say 2 months, 3 months or something. Just only 10 size I'm giving or 15 I'm giving like this. Simply I'm creating this one. So sorry, no database selected. That is okay. Now is a table is created, is a course table. Now based on the course table, see how can we create that foreign key? Only that is the line you need to understand. Creating the table First, let me check with the name student table is there or not. Is not there. Create table student. Create table student. Student ID is an integer. Same. In this one, it's a primary key. For each table, there is a primary key. Next one is a student name. Student name. Next one, see course ID. So there you have written course ID, CID na. Sir, here also do I need to use the same word means what? No, you can use any word. You can use any word. Column name, there is no strict rule that, sir, there you used CID in a course table. Here also means what? No. But normally, generally for easy understandability sake, we use what? Course ID, CID. Course ID, C is an integer. Course ID is an integer. It's third one, C. No need to mention anything. Here, separate with comma. See, three columns completed. First column is a student ID. Second column is a student name. Third column is a course ID. Once after writing this with the comma separator, now you need to write that foreign key. So what is that foreign key? In this table, I want to make CID as a foreign key. So foreign key is a foreign key. What is that foreign key? Sir, CID is the foreign key in this table. Okay. And which is referencing to which table, which column, which is references, which is references. Which table? Course table. In course table, CID is there. In a course table, CID is there. Is a one. Okay. Is a closing. This is the way. This is the way. See, first of all, we need to specify column name, comma separator. Next column, comma separator is the next column. In the same way, column, comma separator, column, comma separator. Here it is also column, comma separator. First you need to create columns. Then finally you need to write a foreign key among these three. So what you want to make it a foreign key? I want to make CID is a foreign key. Okay. Which is connected to which one? That I want to references pointing to in the course table CID. In the course table CID is a one. This is the way we are connecting. We are connecting. Here, now we are inserting the records. We are inserting the records. First, as usual, we are inserting records into which table is a course table. So, insert into course values. So, for example, course ID. Next one is a course name. Next one is a course duration. We are taking like this. Next in the same way. Course ID is a course name, is a course duration. Course ID, course name, course duration. Like this we have taken. We have inserted that records into this course table first. Into course table first. Then we are inserting the records. We are inserting the records. Insert into insert into student, values, insert into student values. Directly I'm inserting like this. Student is a one, is a name, is a name. Next one is a 101, 102, 103. It's a 102. Is a Python course like this. Is a student is a 2, name is a Java course. Student is a 3, name is a no course. No course. Student is a name is a 102 course. So duplicates allowed, null values allowed, everything. Is a 5, is at 103 course. Student is a 6, is a 102. Student is a 7, is a 101. Student is a 8, is no course. Student is a 9, is at 103 course. 103 course. This is the one created. Okay. We have inserted all the records directly instead of writing multiple times insert into student. I just comment. So now first we are checking select star from course. Individually, if you want to get the data, see the course table and select star from student. Select star from student. This is the way of getting the information individually. So one point is what? If it is a primary key, duplicates not allowed. In this table, this CID is a primary key. Here, duplicates not allowed. And in this student ID, this SID is the primary key. Is the primary key. So here also duplicates not allowed. But this CID is at foreign key. We already discussed that foreign key is allowed to store duplicates as well as null values also. Duplicates and null values. This is the one. And the very simple way, sir, okay, we divided. Suppose how to get the information. I want to display student ID, student name. Next, see course name, course duration. I want to display. Okay, that is only the concept called joins. Joins easy, but whenever you are able to write a primary key, foreign key relation between the table, we can join. See, only the main two joins they will ask. First one is called inner join. Inner join. So what is that? See, from this student table, I want student ID and student name. From this table, I want course name and course duration. Two tables required now. Two tables required. So how can we write? Look at this. Select from the student table, student ID comma, from the student table, student name, and from the course table, course name, and from the course table, course duration. These are the four columns from student table, Okay, join means what? Inner join. What you have to join? Student table. You have to join with the course table. Join with which table? Course table. Sir, on which column? On student table course ID is matches with the course table course ID. Look at this. Student table course ID match with the course table course ID. First, what are the columns you want to get? That you have to write first. Sir, first I'm selecting from the student table. You need to mention table name also. Because two tables having the same column also, no? Then it will get confused. That's why from which table, which column. From student table, student ID column. Student table, student name column. From the course table, course name. From the course duration. What are the tables? What are the tables? Student join with the course. On which column? There is a primary key, foreign key column is there. On student CID join with the course CID. Student CID join with the course CID. Here, look at this. Is the suppose Amar is there 102? Yeah, is matching. Is a 101? Yes, is a matching. Null is not matching. So that's why Harin details will not give. Akash details will not give. Third one is not there. Eighth one is not there. Only 7 records given among 9 records. If it is not matches, it will not give. Sir, suppose sometimes table names are very large. You can write like this. It's the same only. Select. We are giving that alias names. S.SID, S.SName, C.CName, C.C duration, C.C duration from. See, look at this. Student, yes. Here you need to mention. So that student table simply we are representing with the variable yes. For alias name, that's it. Inner join course C on. Here it is simply S.CID equal to C.CID. Same only. But the thing is what? Only for student, I'm just giving alias name yes. For course, I'm giving alias name is a C. So whenever you want to specify student, just write yes. Whenever you want to specify course, just write a C. That's it. Sir, I need null values also. Null values. Just mostly they will ask the two joins only. Remaining just theoretically we will discuss. Without null values, if you want to get means what? It is called inner join. Inner join. Next one is no, I need a null values also. I need a null values also. That is, then here simply we use left. In the left table, all the records will display. Look at this. In the left, all records will be displayed. All records means what? Suppose from the left side is a null is there. No? If null is there, is actually not matching. Sir, if it is not matching, from the right side table, what it has to give? It will place null, null. It will place null, null. It will place null, null like this. Is giving. This is the one. Okay. So how can we get the information with the joins? We need to understand. Isn't it? The next one is after primary key foreign key relation, after getting that information by joining the tables. Now the concept is subqueries. So what is that subquery? And how can we execute those subqueries? Just wait. Better.